Hello and congratulations for joining our course. Now, in the first lecture, we wanted to have like a short briefing and introduction for you so you can understand better how the course is structured and how you should go through it so you can have a maximum efficiency in learning the concepts that we have exposed in this course. Now, which is the structure of the course? Where we have structured the course in 3 parts that are very simple. The first section will get you started with the Cocos 2D core framework. We'll teach you how to install the Cocos 2D core framework and how to work with it. Then you will learn by practicing and by example, and you will see how to develop an aim and shoot game practically in the same time while learning the Cocos 2D core elements and framework. After that, we have the third section in which you will see exactly how we've developed a memory game in Cocos 2D, and you can approfundate all the knowledge that you have learned in the second section. Now, how you should go through the course for maximum efficiency. First of all, go through the whole course in the beginning. After you finish, you can access any lecture at which time you want from wherever you want. So there is no problem if you didn't understand the concept well enough. You can go back to that lecture after you finish all the course. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to address them in the discussion board. That's why we are here, to help you understand the concepts better and to help you design your very own first iOS game. The fourth part, let us know how the course goes with your feedback. Your feedback is very important for us because we need to know what you like the most at our course and what we can update to it in the future. Then we finish by letting us know what you like the most about our course with a rating and review after you finish the whole course. This will help future students understand better what the course is all about and will help us know what you loved the most at our course. Now, thank you very much for your attention, and we will see you in our next lecture to start your journey into iOS game development with Cocos 2D. Bye bye.